Ukraine is not giving a rest for the occupiers. 2 warehouses filled with construction materials and adjacent administrative buildings are on fire in Krasnodar. Center for Digitalization of Education is on fire in Moscow. Ural Transmash Defense Contractor Factory on fire in Yekaterinburg. It is the sole enterprise that produces 2 S-series self-propelled howitzers in Russia. Ukrainian sea and air drones under SBU command conducted a successful attack on a Russian Coast Guard base located on Lake Donoslav. During the overnight assault, key facilities such as the command post, ammunition depot, equipment storage, electrical substation, technical structures, and enemy firing positions were heavily damaged and rendered inoperative. The Ukrainian drone demolishes the hideout of enemy FPV drone operators, burying them alive under the rubble. The Special Group Alpha of the Security Service of Ukraine is working. In Russia, partisans working for the Russian Freedom Legion burned down military equipment on a military air base in Bolshoye Savino, Perm region, over 900 miles from the border with Ukraine. A Russian soldier unpacks new headphones. He sees a patch with the US flag and burns it. All that's going on is because of these bastards and morons, he says. But he keeps the headphones. His hatred is very practical.
Мы что увидели? Мы когда покупали вот эти активные наушники, мы увидели, что здесь вот такие патчи с американскими флагами. Вот все, что сейчас происходит, в первую очередь, это из-за вот этих вот уродов и тварей. И вот я сейчас сожгу к чертовой матери вот этот вот патч с американским флагом. И я искренне желаю, чтобы всю Америку вот так же нахрен все сожгло к чертовой матери. Потому что они главные террористы на этом свете. Я желаю, чтобы вы все террористы, настоящие террористы, чтобы вы вот так вот горели в огне преисподней. Только так. Добавь огоньку, добавь ядреной бомбы. Гори, Америка, гори. Ясным пламенем. Вот так вот. Вот что наши солдаты сделают с армией врага.
Medvedev said that the laws of ancient Babylon authorize Russia to start a nuclear war. The laws of ancient Babylon in India, as well as the Old Testament and the Quran, give Russia the right to use nuclear weapons against its adversaries in the West, Deputy Chairman of the Security Council of Russia stated. The principle of an eye for an eye and a tooth for a tooth has a historical character. It was outlined already in the Code of Hammurabi, the laws of Manu, the laws of the 12 tables, and, of course, in the Old Testament and the Quran. So, one can and sometimes must repay evil with evil. Medvedev said in an interview with Argumenti I Fakti newspaper. Russian Historical School continues its research work. The 1st Assault Battalion of the 92nd Brigade is actively using FPV drones to destroy Russian equipment in the Kharkiv region, mostly supply vehicles. Do not travel to Belarus. The country is Putin's puppet dictatorship. Effective June 19th, nationals from the following 35 European nations will no longer need a visa to travel to Belarus. This unilateral action by the dictatorship is likely intended to attract idiots who will then be accused of espionage and taken hostage to give Putin bodies for future spy exchanges with the West. Emotions of Ukrainian defenders returned from Russian captivity. Victor turns 59 years old today. Victor was captured in Mariupol and was in captivity for 26 months. He got to come home as a present.
Нормально забрали, тяжкувато було дуже жарко. Але нічого, в нас зігрівала надія те, що ми попадемо на рідну Україну.
Скільки вам років сьогодні виповнилось?
59.
Це такий вам подарунок на день народження?
По подарунка який слід мріяти про його. Такий не всім випадає. Так що я дуже радий, дуже вражений, дуже приємно. Дякую вам всім за увагу, за піклування. Повернення. Що ми попросимо? Дякую. Дякую за все.
Russia is ready for negotiations regarding Ukraine and European security issues, said Lavrov, emphasizing that the talks should not compromise anyone's security. If Russia speaks, it lies. Do not trust a single word this madman says. And for the military porn, MiG-17 over the Florida coast, pilot Randy W. Ball, May 2024.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.